In today's video, I'll show you how to use Deezer Musicbot in Telegram. If you want to find and listen to music directly through Telegram, you can use a Deezer Musicbot to search for songs and interact with music without leaving the app. To get started, open Telegram and use the search bar to find the @Deezer Musicbot. Make sure you select the correct bot before continuing, since there can be multiple bots with similar names.
Once you find the bot, open the chat and tap the Start button. This will activate the bot and show you the commands or options that are available. Now, if this is the first time you're using this bot, you may see a menu with different options for searching and finding music. Look through the available buttons and select the option for searching for a song. You can then enter the name of the song, artist, or album you're looking for. Try to be as specific as possible so the bot can return more relevant results. After you send your search, the bot will process your request and display the available results. You may see several songs that match what you entered. Take a moment to check the results and choose the song you want. Tap the corresponding result and the bot will provide the available music options. You may be able to listen to the track directly in Telegram or receive information and a link related to the song. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to search for another track. Just return to the bot and enter another song title or artist name. One thing to keep in mind is that Telegram bots are created and operated by third parties, so their features can change or stop working at any time. If a particular bot doesn't respond, check whether its commands or menu options have changed. And that's basically how you can use a Deezer Musicbot in Telegram. Find the bot, start the conversation, search for the music you want, and use the available options to access the results. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Telegram tutorials.